Hello everyone, in this video I am explaining statistics. So basics, in this video I am covering basics of data, that is what is data and primary and secondary data examples I am giving. So if you are watching this video for the first time, means you please subscribe the channel. So more videos like how to calculate the mean and median mode, okay, different types of graphs I will be explaining. Okay, so first we will observe the basics of statistics, that is data. So data is nothing but it is the systematic record of a particular quantity. Okay, it is nothing but base of all operation in statistics. Okay, it is nothing but collection of facts and figures used for a specific purpose for a particular survey, or we can do analysis using this. So when the data whenever we collected the data, if you arrange them in an organized form, then it is called as information. Okay, so main data can be there is two types of data, that is primary data, secondary data. Okay, so whenever you gather the data, so it can be numerical or such as numbers or facts information. Okay, it can be numbers, numerical data it can be, or it can be as a means qualitative data, such as, so see types of data I am explaining here, qualitative and quantitative data. So qualitative data means they represent some attributes or characteristics. They depict descriptions that may be observed but cannot be computed or calculated. Okay, for example of this type of data is intelligence, honesty, okay, wisdom, cleanliness. Okay, all the these are comes under qualitative data. Okay, they are more exploratory than conclusive in nature. Okay, so these students, these attributes we can observe from the students, but they can't be computed or information can be noted. That is known as qualitative data. Next is quantitative data, means they can be numerically represented and statistical operation can be performed in this. Okay, so quantitative data means that is students marks of the students obtained in different subjects and weights of the students, and suppose the number of say different games, the number of students playing in different sports, these are all comes quantitative data. So we can enter the data and operations can be performed in this type of data. So next is data collection can be two types, that is primary data and secondary data. So primary data, it is given, it is in pure form, means the investigator himself will go and collect the data. So it is in original form, that is pure form, that is in that no statistical operations are performed in that. Okay, so this type of data is original. Okay, so example is census of India. Okay, so this is the main example of a primary data. Next is secondary data. So it is so the someone collected data, it is kept in some resources, kept in some place, means see if anybody wants to use that, means we can go and collect the data. So it is not in original form. Okay, this is collected by someone. When we need that information, means we go and do the analysis. So it is available in published or unpublished form. Okay, this is so in this it is collected by someone and we are using this. Okay, so this type of data is known as secondary data. That is examples of this the data used by Department of Finance and books, journals. These are the examples of secondary data. Okay, so this is main few basics of statistics. So next, how we, after collecting the data, then how we organize the data, how we tabulate the data, then we do in a graphical manner, we represent them to get the best results, so that we can observe from the graph and do the analysis. Okay, next we have some methods like for performing mean, median, mode. Okay, these are all covered in the next video. Okay, thank you for watching.